Good morning. I'm Brenda and welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. This morning I want to, I got the hankering for some peanut butter cookies. So I'm going to make some keto peanut butter cookies. Fall time coming about here in Kentucky. Give you all a little look of outside. Oops, go a little slower for you. Yeah, got some leaf cleanup to do. Those big old trees all around us. So, you see that right there? See that bottle? This is I have my dish liquid in this. A dear sweet lady gave me that several years ago. Her daughter is a local artist, and she takes the soft drink bottles, the ones that are made here in our town, and she paints just the most beautiful little sceneries on them. And I love birds, and how that lady knew, and we had just moved in, and how she knew that I love birds is beyond me. But I really like using it, and I appreciate it very much. Okay, I got my coffee ready. See there? My big Dollar Tree cup, my Dollar Tree find. Love it. Love it, love it. Yep, there goes my dogs again. I'll be right back. Let me go see what's happening. Alright, sorry about that. Never fails. They're either running in and out or barking at something. Okay, I checked our local grocers, and I could not find, I hope that's enough light, you all. I could not find any sugar-free peanut butter on the shelf. I did, however, find some Simply Jif, which was the lowest in sugar that I could find. I think it's like 2 grams. But that's what I'm going to use for our keto cookies. And instead of using a full half cup of the granulated stevia, I'm going to put just a little bit of liquid stevia in it too, so it doesn't have that bitter flavor to it. Can't use a whole lot because obviously it's just going to have an egg and a cup of peanut butter in it. And hopefully this works. Got my oven preheating at 350. Got my coffee brewed over here and ready, just waiting for me to sip on it. It's just a quick and simple thing here. 1 cup of peanut butter. Obviously, it should be sugar-free, but like I said, I can't find any. So not local. I know I can order some, but I was wanting to go ahead and make these. Y'all, let me share with you something. Tom hurt himself yesterday at work. I mean, it's not a serious thing. Well, I guess it is, but it's not like really bad. He is at work, but he's on light duty. He pulled some muscles, strained some muscles in his shoulder. So I think he'll like when he gets home that he's got some peanut butter cookies waiting on him and some homemade Sloppy Joe. I think he'll like that all right. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you all. Just like half a teaspoon, y'all. That's all we're going to do, just like half a teaspoon. And I'm going to mix this all up. So, what do y'all do when it gets fall? I mean, when it starts getting close to fall. Here in Kentucky, I'm telling you, the temperature this week, y'all just would not believe. We have hit record highs of 100 degrees or more. Temps have been running like in the 90s. And it's a mess. It's a hot mess here. Straight up. Hot mess. But, to me, with supposed to be cooler temperatures and all that, but you know what? It is what it is, and we make do with what God's given us, right? So, that's that. But I'm going to tell you all that when I think of fall, I think of peanut butter cookies. I think of pumpkin dip. Love that stuff. I will figure out how to do it keto, I can tell you that. I will figure that out. Okay. Now this don't make a big bunch of them, and I'm glad it don't. Don't need a big bunch of peanut butter cookies laying around the house, do we, y'all? Alright. Now, I've got it mixed up. Let's get this over here so y'all can see it. You see that? Sorry, like I said, the sun is not where it usually is when I'm doing these vlogs. But there's the, here, let me do this. Hello. There we go. There it is. That's the peanut butter cookie mixture. I think I got it. So, grab my fork. We all know, hope y'all can see me all right. We all know that if you have peanut butter cookies, they must have the fork kind mark. Classic mark of a good peanut butter cookie. Smells really good. Again, I'm hoping that by not using as much of the granulated stevia that it won't have that aftertaste that you can sometimes get by having to use a larger quantity of it. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed and hope this works. And at my lunchtime, or before, I'll give one a taste. A little mixing bowl. I had a big one, and I want you to know, I don't know what I was thinking, that it all came together with a real nice little mixer set that I'd had for a long time. And like I said, I don't know what I was thinking, but I was making some, I'd never made it before, so I thought I would try and make it, some microwave peanut brittle. And what do you reckon I did? That's right, I took that big bowl, like a goob, took that big bowl, stuck it in the microwave, and I cracked it. That I did. Here we go. Y'all want to see this? Let me get all around here. Let me come back around here. Bring you over here. You see, I piled that one just a little high. I didn't want it just that little teeny piece, so. Alrighty. We're going to smoosh it down. Oh, you know what I think I better do? I probably should get just a little bit of stevia. Oh, there you go. That works. Yeah, I don't have to get the stevia because I can just hold the paper and squish them down. Like I said, if you've ate a peanut butter cookie, or even, you know, what's one of the favorite things that they like to do in school? Fix those big old pretty peanut butter cookies. Always had those fork marks on the top, didn't it? From the times of the fork. So it's something we have to do to make it as traditional as possible. There we go. They smell really good. I think I made that one a little too small. We'll see though, won't we? Alright. Again, I apologize for my lighting. I don't know why I'm blurry either. Got some blur going on. What now, like I said, I'm all new to this. Now, let me sit y'all back down here. And, oops. There we go. Let me run this over here to the oven. And I'm going to put this in there and let it bake for probably 12 to 15 minutes, I'm thinking. I think that sounds like a good number, good round number. 12 to 15. Watch me clean up my mess real quick, y'all. I've got, speaking of mess, I've got to clean up my refrigerator. Like get my prep done for my veggies and stuff. You don't know that's the best thing to do is go ahead and do that while you can. Excuse me while I step over here to my cabinet. Little pantry. But you know the best time to do that is when you get those groceries in the house. But you know, things were a little bit different yesterday after we went to the grocery store because, like I said, Tom hurt his arm, so usually he'll carry the groceries in and I'll start getting everything together. But that kind of didn't happen this time. I'm going to go ahead and get these out of the oven. I don't trust myself, so. I think it's probably been long enough. I believe it has. They're not. Ricky thinks they're his. Anything that comes out of the oven, for some reason, he thinks it's his. Ah. Woo, watch me lose them. There you go. Look at that. Ooh, get you a smell. There you go. See? Oops. A little too close. Nice. Nice, nice. Of course, they'll lose a little of their puffiness as they sit here and cool down. But I believe those are done enough. I don't want to put the brown to them like we do with most of our cookies. So that I'm not going to do. Let me get you all around here and show you. Yeah, I got my sink of water as usual. There we go. There they are. There, take a smell. Smells like cookies to me. And then I got this little guy here. Do you all use these? The terracotta. Well, you can get them in bears. You can get them in leaves. You can get them in anything. But I put these, a dry one, I put in my cookies that actually helps keep them moist and crumbly. And not crumbly. And then I also wet them and put them in brown sugar. You know, stuff that you want to... You know how brown sugar will pack real hard? Not if you put something like, wet that terracotta, let it soak, and then pat it dry with a paper towel. Stick it down in there, and I am telling you, you don't ever have to worry about your brown sugar chunking up again. Because it won't. I buy the big bags because I make cakes and cookies and stuff to sell, you know, to folks. So I have the big bags of it, and I put those in there. Just one. That's all it takes. In the really big bags. And I don't have an ounce of trouble. But that's the cookies. Guess what's cooled down? My cookies. Ooh, look at that. Break me off a little piece. That's good. That is so good. I don't taste all... Ooh, I taste the peanut butter. It's amazing. Don't taste the stevia nowhere near like I thought I would. But I think that's where I cut down on it. And that's some good stuff, y'all. Definitely. Definitely give that a try. Remember, it was... Well, I'll actually excuse me. I'll actually link it down below because I'll put it on my Facebook page. Handcrafted by. That's at Nana's Hidden Apron if you look for it on Facebook. But I'll have the recipe on there too, and some pictures of the cookies. I have several other recipes on there as well, so check them out. Give me a like. Also, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, I wish you would help me out and do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. And you do that, it really does help a lot more than you think, you know, as far as vlogging goes. For any of us, it helps us a lot. My dinner bell. Click on that dinner bell and you'll get a notification each time I put new vlogs on. But that's it for our peanut butter cookies. You all take care. Be safe out there. Like I said, it is Friday the 13th. I think I'm going to grab me the rest of my peanut butter cookie. After I clean my mess up, of course. Sneak off in there and see if I can't find me some good old spooky movie on.